Hey everybody, Gulf Coast ETC here. Got a quick review for you today. Probably a knife you've seen plenty of times before, but I thought I'd take a look at, what it looks like to own a CRK Sebenza today. It's a small version, but I thought it'd be interesting to go through and see, is it still the GOAT? Does it still live up to the hype? So let's get into it. So here you get the box. You can see that this is a small Sebenza, and I got it with the box elder. This one, even on the website, it had said that it was S35, but when I got it, it was S45, so pretty sweet. But let's see, we got our crucible sticker here. So let's get it opened up. So nice, you get a sticker and warranty card. Pretty nice packaging in here. Oh, get your birth certificate and such there. So nice. Okay, that's pretty nice. So getting some, looks like some Loctite and some lube there. An Allen wrench. So that's nice. Okay, so you get a leather sheath. I don't personally use these, but maybe somebody does. Seems nice. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, the catch there, the catchphrase. Think twice, cut once. It's good advice. Okay, as long as that once isn't your finger. Let's see, okay. Sponge inserts, that's really nice. It's a nice sponge. All right. A nice little polishing cloth there. Oh, that's very sweet. All right, so there it is. So okay, it comes with a lanyard. I guess if you're on the fence about that, you have to cut that guy off. Doesn't look like that's coming off with any kind of screw, so. I don't know, I guess if you take the frame apart, then probably get it out of there. I mean, it doesn't matter to me one way or the other. I gotta take it or leave it, I guess. They serve their purpose sometimes. Looks good on some knives, maybe not on all. You can tell me down in the comments, are you a kind of lanyard person? You get beads and stuff like that? I know some people are into it, some people aren't. I think if it's done tastefully, it could be cool. But so you get that, let's see. So, still Idaho made. And the finish on this guy is just really, really nice. They did a really good job on this. It's just really nice. Let's see. And I gotta be careful with this guy because they're gonna be super sharp. And they're not really fidget friendly, right? So you're not gonna flick that out real quick without a little practice. I mean, you kind of flick it with your hand as you're opening it. I had to practice with it to kind of get it open up. It's not like a Benchmade or, an Elementum or something. It's not going to flick right out for you. So, of course, it seems like they want you to know it's a tool and serious business, and I get all that. Man, so it's really nice. Everything's tastefully done. You see the burls on the wood are so nice. It's one of the reasons I got it. It's kind of got some reddish tint up there. It's a little different. The nice thing about, these burls are, it's fairly unique whenever you get one, so it's kind of nice. Man, it's weird when you hold it. It's definitely, it doesn't seem very large because this is a small version, obviously, right? But it has some decent heft to it with that titanium and the steel. All the appointments are really nice on it, and it's very smooth. You can just feel how smooth it is. I mean, this guy isn't gonna, drop shut. Maybe some use or some adjusting possibly, but You can get it to flick, I guess. You really gotta give it some wrist action when you're using the thumb stud though, because this thing is, you can see it there. It's not really a thumb stud, it's more of a thumb spike. I mean, it doesn't look like a spike. I mean, it kind of just looks like a little rounded hill, but man, when you feel it, it's kind of spiky. Let's take a look at some size comparisons so you can kind of get an idea of, man, see, I think I still kind of fumble with it. You gotta kind of flick it. So we'll take a look at the size on this guy. So small Sebenza, and then let's see, we'll take a look at Spyderco. Here's a Delica 4. Let's see, here's a Mini Osborne. Let's see, here's a Mini Bug Out. And last but not least, let's get the full size Bug Out. So you can kind of see size comparison wise, it's not, it's not a tiny knife. The Osborne's a kind of a petite feeling knife. That and the Mini Bug Out. But you can see that it's a good size to it, and definitely with the blade, maybe more on par with this guy with kind of blade shape. Maybe the full size Bug Out's a little closer. Let's see. Yeah, and it's a little bit smaller than the full size Bug Out there, but decent size comparison. Maybe the Mini Bug Out's pretty close. Yeah, a little bit bigger than the Mini Bug Out, but it's pretty nice. All right, kind of get an idea of what that size is like. I don't want to say is perfect EDC size, so because what's perfect to one person is trash to another, I'm sure. But this is, you can kind of see too, it says on it satin finish, but this is more like a tumble finish on this guy. Yeah, it's tumbled with something to kind of give it that look, but man, that is a sweet looking knife. And for me, it's in grail territory, right? This is kind of knife you own forever, and maybe you pass down or you give it to your son or something, you get a new one. But man, just a good looking knife. Now, is it the greatest of all time? Is this the GOAT? In today's market, is this knife, better than the competition? I don't know. There are a lot of things in this price point. So, with shipping and everything all in, I'm probably about, $550 on this guy. And $550, I know that puts me, you're kind of in, like a custom, maybe like a McNeese Mac 2, close to, Chavez territory. So then you have to say, well, is this going to be the one? Is this the right one for that price? I don't know, man. That is so smooth. It's smooth in a weird way. It's hard to describe. It's smooth in a solid kind of way, like a hefty kind of way. Not like a bearing kind of way. Bearings feel, it's hard to say, almost thin. That sounds weird, but when you're opening it, like maybe it's the Elementum, you flick the Elementum open and it comes out really quick. And it's smooth, but in a kind of thin way. When you flick this guy open, there's some heft to the feel of it. It's hard to explain, I guess. Man, that flicking open it's a talent. I don't know if I got it yet. But man, you just see overall just a really great looking knives, and of course they're known for their good looking knives, right? There's seen a couple of the new ones here lately that have the special inlays on them. Just ridiculous, some of the stuff that they do, especially with the titanium and anodizing in different colors. But anyway, I'm not going to go on and on. You guys know it, you love it. This is the real deal GOAT here. Maybe I have a review after I've carried it for a while and had some long-term use on it, but so far I'm super stoked about it. I don't think I could be much happier with it. maybe if it had, it's blasphemy, but maybe if it had a Benchmade thumb stud on it, I could be a little bit happier. But other than that, let's see, you got the pocket clip there. It's a pretty tight pocket clip. Got jimping right there. It's nice, not too sharp and crazy, but you can definitely, you know, feel that it's there. Yeah, a slight little choil piece. I don't know if I'd be using that. It's really close to the cutting edge there. But man, it is a nice feeling knife. It's kind of hard to describe it if you haven't had one, or you haven't played with one. Man, it's smooth though. That's nice. Well, that's really all I got for you today. Just wanted to have you take a look at this with me and see what the unboxing kind of looks like. And maybe after I've had it for a little while, I'll have an update to see if I love it as much as I do now. Well, thanks for watching, you guys, and like and subscribe for more content. Hope you have a great day.